So the owners cannot stay in the same market or retail spaces reserved for Ghanaians. They can only operate outside the market and only if they meet the strict GIPC investment.
Are they to be blamed? No. Ghana ni ekota de opemo mienu. Jimienti. Nigeria ni bakota de 10 cedis or the 50% better so better on in term. Is it not time say you must share some of the marketing strategies of this so-called Nigerians? And now we also kind of say price of coffee or the mienu to so I didn't hear talk nego. Nigeria ni akofa or the kakra to so. It is as much as omuye sabe foreigners I beka say or omu flat alone. Let's also look within. Are we also treating our own people right? No. Hello, I Xposed GH. The name is Ben Bruce. Subscribe, share, me little man. I want sa enya akabi fair. Ghana, we are the beacon of hope for Africa. We are the star that shines in Africa. Yeah, you're home to many people. One of the things that we pride ourselves say, yeah, you're hospitable toward strangers. But I say strangers be fine for granted. And now some of the things I say, Ube China do not on pure water. Meanwhile, your Lord in him. And then Abosoka situation on my press conference, you could see him by to us.
A kiosk or a store may do business in Ghana if they meet investment thresholds. Invest at least $1 million in equity. Employ at least 20 skilled Ghanaians. In that case, they may operate outside the market, not in the market. So I think our message is clear. I'm not a lawyer. The act is the GIPC law. I mean, everybody can go online to read the act. Okay. So the owners cannot stay in the same markets, stores, retail spaces reserved for Ghanaians. They can only operate outside the market and only if they meet the strict GIPC investment. That is the law. I'm not quoting it, it's the law. If you go online, the GIPC law is online. I mean, everybody can access it, everybody can read it. So that is our message to our Nigerian brothers, our foreign brothers. And we state here in Abosoka spare parts, we are not against Nigerians or foreigners. We are not against anybody. We are not fighting anybody. We just want the law to take its course. We in Abosoka, we have a challenge. We don't have a working capital. We don't have a governmental support. Government has not supported us. We don't have a capital to work. Our interest, our bank interests are very high. When you need loan or some money to clear your goods at the port, it's very difficult. We are facing challenges here in the market. So we can't sit here in Abosoka for our brothers to come from Nigeria, China, Turkey to take our market. Our message is clear. Some foreigners wholesale to us, and the same foreigners sit in the market and do retail. These are the challenges we are facing here. We are not making any money here. We have challenges in the market. So now, we the executives of Abosoka Spare Parts Dealers Association are going to sit down and do a review after the 3-day exercise that we have embarked on. We are also going to talk to the authorities, the stakeholders, and brief them what we've done so far and what we are going to do in the next 2 weeks. We've engaged our Nigerian brothers and some of the foreigners. So I think we'll come back here in 2 weeks. Yes, 2 weeks. We've given them something to go and work on and come back to see if, we are satisfied. So far, that is what we are.
Yeah. I am running part say, oh yeah, Obia Sabe, oh yes, citizen of Ghana, won't mean your bojo business. And then me China ni bio wa shoemaker. Me who Nigeria for mo na ma wo mo ton phone we. Ni nyina is against the law. But we've allowed them to do that. Say you who say a bite ye. But mama me say wasem. Are they to be blamed? No. Ghana ni ekota de opem mo mienu. Jimmy enti. Nigeria ni ba kota de 10 cedis or the 50 pesos better so better on in them. Is it not time say you must share some of the marketing strategies of this so-called Nigerians? Because on no bad, alpha be brain to so not be here so. And now we so kind of say price of coffee or the mienu to so. I didn't hear talk nego. Nigeria ni akofa or kakra to so. It is as much as omuye sabe foreigners I beka say or omu flat law no. Let's also look within. Are we also treating our own people right? No. Ghana ni show any man no boo, no meow shwage, no show any no sre. Because on so anyao, Nigeria for this. Enti nyama bi wo hon ma ye ka ye ni abra, yesu ye hwe ye hu yi. Because e bi wo ha, ya hwe hu yi na ye na ye. Na ye ko asem achem sauda. Papa bi a wo ka kire ne bad boy say, ko boa me afum. We now discuss one of them.
O papa ni wa hinya mi anim.
Nwa udukia ine. Bobne. Asema media minim fa ho an se ne papa ko ka chen so mo na adwuma. No.
I don't want to. I will be uncle.
On two.
This is bad.
I think we have. I'm so more yard to Nancy was saying, yeah, I think for the plank was it before. No, most of them go. As a man,
You see, Ghana is turning into something else. We think isolated cases, but sometimes when we say generation no more bano, say anye nyama ya the big dear dokunokwa. Anka kola se kan body kwede. Adwimba about chips at papa. Now those times no yet ya papa hona ye dwale kwashe dem because there was fear. And no one kola na on any papa omu girls. Ube wa kola 17 no any papa to sports. No sound be say so ni be wa Jimmy papa. Yeah, mommy can be show in the home. You'll be a friend the last resort. Me, mommy can be with me. Because I'm a traditionalist. I don't care. Woman, until they reach certain ages, and you're money too free and too nice, sir. Debbie. Mom who is in charge. So we build this side and not akolani to me who sabi papa ka sama send me tituma oniya se asemi kotuna na sebe ko ware na onya problem ya wo do wan ba tuma na etwa mami fo no because omoni colonity fielity in colonity feel say oh wamo de na but a father should be a father figure. And what makes a father figure is not only by providing, is by giving what? Guidance to Akolano. And putting the fear of God into Akolano. Intermediate, as much as you love your children, no, and my own yet to say in front of you, they can say any stupid thing and go scot free. No, I won't allow me. I'll beat you. You if you do that, me, my children know. If I'm in a car, they are quiet. But when they grow to certain extent, many of them know we are free because when you, baby, I want to know you know your left from your right. Sign a teacher collar. And now you walk away. If you be brave woman, almost beside collar said, "Then I'll be Jimmy." And then I'll be saying, "No." And then I'll be saying, "Me, near me, the other answer with you because me I'm this cannibal." Hey, we are doing now soon. Yes, car near Bisa or you never Bisa said, "Then I'll be." By doing so, no, oh, Chacolani said, and we are saying, a stages. No matter what Chacolani said, before you can eat what you want, no, you need to grow up and work like how my daddy or my mommy is working. And yeah, I did this Chacolati. Yawoha says, so Behena, Akola, I bet not by the form of Bonkomo, a Jimmy at the highest point. Sack the child because in Komobi or Honma. And ya kola komo and so opera yi aye 8 o'clock na ye feel bia no dwe na kola hwe no mo sere so prayer ni atweska ni dia wo bi akola ni o hwe no eno no practice and until I make say all these TV stations they are very stupid they have no sense what mean so press no omo ni adwen pia because niam bia wo yi no alien to the Ghanaian culture. But gradually, sadly, we acquire your money. I didn't know your local, your friends and actors, more empowerment. We are being very stupid. Some of the things they claim to be number one, but their stupidity is beyond number one. Who is soap opera or be foreign culture and you're bringing it to Ghana, and we don't see the essence of it. And then, Suman the Brabano, and a young Yama Yamano, yes, sir. Intitete obaye high exposed GHFM Bros. Subscribe share me to my now, so I can be manuous.